Hey Excel wizards, welcome back to Tube Channel, your go-to channel for all the spreadsheet math. Today I want to take a moment to shout out our previous videos where we dwelled into the wonders of len function, left function, right function and ISNUMBER function in Excel. In case you have missed them, be sure to check them out. We covered everything from measuring text length to extracting specific characters and even verifying numeric values in cells. But now it's time to level up our Excel game even further. The links for the previous videos are here as well as down below in the description. In our latest video, we are tackling a real world challenge, that is validating the length of the company code and ensuring its structure follows a specific criteria. We are talking about making sure that the first two characters are non-numeric and fixed, while the last four characters must be numbers. But using a combination of functions like len function, left function, right function and maybe even the ISNUMBER, we'll crack this code wide open and ensure our data is clean, consistent and error-free. So, if you are ready to become a data validation wizard and ensure your company codes are always on point, then stay tuned for this exciting episode of Excel Mastery. Here, we want to have our first two letters fixed and we want them to be PT followed by 4 digits. How do we set this one up? In this case, our checks are similar to the earlier ones, except that full length of the company code should be 6 characters. Again, I'm just going to put one example here. So let's put PT4534 in A23 as our company code. Using the len function, we shall verify the length of the company code to be 6 characters. So we should enter equals len within brackets A23 is equal to 6. And we get the answer as true to confirm that the length of the company code is of 6 characters. Now the next thing that's quite different from what we did before is that we are actually checking what the first two characters should be. So what formula should we use here? This can easily be done by using the formula equals left within brackets A23, 2 is equal to within inverted commas PT inverted comma close. And we get a true reply confirming that the company code comprises of PT as the first two characters. Now, the only check needs to be applied is whether the last four characters of the company code are numeric or not. And for this, we shall apply equals ISNUMBER within brackets value within brackets right within brackets A23, 4 all the brackets closed to validate that the last four characters of the company code are numeric. A true answer confirms that 4 characters of the company code are numeric in nature. Now we need to apply all these checks together. That is, by using a single command, we want to validate if the company code is of 6 characters. With 2 characters as PT, or rather the first 2 characters be PT and last 4 characters being numeric. And if we get an answer as true, our data validation for company code is accomplished. So we use a long formula using equals and within brackets length within brackets E23 bracket close is equal to 6, comma left within brackets A23, 2 bracket close is equal to PT enclosed in inverted comma, again comma, ISNUMBER within brackets value within brackets, write within brackets A23, 4, all the brackets close. For getting this formula, we can take help of clipboard to copy and paste each formula one by one, and then using the command and clicking on the command in the clipboard one by one with comma separating each formula, a composite formula can be created to check all the above conditions at one go. And as soon as we hit enter, we get our company code validated. Alright, fellow learners, it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and join on our journey to spreadsheet mastery. But remember, the path to Excel mastery never closes. So dive into your spreadsheet, practice your formulas, and embrace the joy of continuing learning. Wishing you a productive and joyful Excel journey ahead. Until next time, keep excelling, keep learning, and keep soaring with Tube Shara. Thank you very much.